Mr. Atulya Jyoti,
Yes, sir.
hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 7 in Production and Industrial Engineering branch in GATE 2021.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Mr. Atulya Jyoti, it is a wonderful rank. 7th rank means All India 7th rank means.
Yes.
So what was your reactions after coming to know about your result?
Sir, it's obvious that I was very happy.
Okay.
But sir, previously also I have secured AIR 20, so it doesn't give much excitement, but it's okay.
Okay. Previously you got 20th rank in production engineering, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
And what was the need to appear again? Any specific reason, Mr. Jyoti?
Sir, actually, I want to keep a good GATE score. So in case I would like to do MTech in future, so that GATE score remains valid for 5 years. So I just want to keep a good GATE score ready.
Okay, GATE score ready for 3 years. 3 years, Mr. Atulya.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
That's why.
Valid. Okay. So presently, what are you doing? You said in future you want to do MTech. Presently, how you are occupied?
Sir, right now I'm working in central government, Central Water Commission through engineering services.
Oh, right. I understood.
Yes, sir.
Already you are in engineering services.
Yes, sir. So in case I would do MTech, that will be sponsored by my department. So that's why I wanted to keep a valid GATE score. So in case I would like to do MTech.
Very good. You deserve a good appreciation because working and again preparing and cracking the GATE exam is somewhat difficult, but you made it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you,
very good, Mr. Atulya Jyoti.
Thank you, sir.
Can you please tell us which coaching program you have availed from ACE Academy?
Sir, I have taken online test series.
Okay, you have taken online test series from ACE Academy.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us how this ACE Academy online test series played a role in your success?
Sir, the test series is very similar to the actual questions which come in the GATE exam. So once we practice that, and once we practice that in real time scenario, like in 3 hours, we have to do questions. So it gives a very near experience to that of the actual exam. So in that way, it helps a lot.
Okay. Mr. Atulya, can you tell us something about your daily study plans and how you used to do the revision work and how often you have taken the test series?
Sir, I had taken 5 to 6 tests only, mock tests.
In the last stage, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Full length mock test you have taken.
Yes, sir. Okay. And sir, I had my short notes ready already. So I just used to revise my short notes and I used to give tests. I didn't have much time with me because I was already working. So I just used to revise the short notes and give the tests. That's all.
Okay, very good, Mr. Atulya. Mr. Atulya, you are one of the top ranker in the GATE exam in PA branch. Can you tell some tips and strategies for the juniors who want to crack the GATE exam in your same branch of engineering?
Sir, first of all, I'd like to say that the students should complete the whole syllabus well before time, like 2-3 months before the actual date of the exam. And they should make short notes definitely, because sir, it will be very difficult to revise all the formulas in very short span of time. So they should have short notes ready. They should revise the short notes and they should give mock tests. That's of utmost importance, because one needs to feel the level of the actual exam well before time, and they need to access their performance also. So, and after giving test, they need to analyze their mistakes, and the solutions are already is given by ACE. So, and they should note the mistakes they have done in their short notes. They should keep on adding, and that's all.
Okay. So you said that you used to revise your short notes and used to appear this some full length mock tests. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Did you ever practice those previous year's questions of GATE examination?
Yes, sir. So I used to refer previous year questions also.
Okay. Now, apart from previous year's questions, did you refer to any other? I mean, previous year's questions of engineering services of mechanical engineering?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Only previous year GATE questions, mock tests, and short notes. That's all.
This is what your source of material for your GATE exam preparation.
Yes, sir. No reference books at all.
Very good. So you did not refer any textbook. This is more than sufficient. What you have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is sufficient. So most of the questions in GATE are repeated from that of the previous years only. So if one solves all the problems of previous years, there would not be any difficulty.
Okay. And one more, Mr. Atulya. See, GATE preparation or English preparation is somewhat a long journey.
Yes, sir.
So how we have to be motivated in this long journey without losing enthusiasm and energy levels? Any tips that you want to share with your juniors?
Sir, so one can just watch some motivational videos. They need to talk to their parents, friends, and family members. And so motivation comes from within. The main thing is that if they really want to crack an exam, they would get motivation from within only.
No, well said, Atulya. Because unless you have that inner burning desire,
Yes.
difficult to derive that what you call motivation. Well said about this one. Atulya, any other points that you want to share,
No, sir.
especially for your juniors who want to crack the examination? Any,
So
other,
for
any other tips that you want to share?
So for juniors, I've already said that they just need to complete the syllabus well before time. Short notes should be ready. They should previous year questions and mock tests. It is more than sufficient. They need to just keep on doing these things. That's all.
Okay. Well said, Mr. Atulya. Thank you very much for joining this.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And I take the opportunity to congratulate you once again and
Thanks
wish
a
you all
lot.
the best in all your future endeavors.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. God bless you, Atulya.
Thank you.
Thank you.